Your website might look great, but is it still working as hard as it could? Many businesses launch a new site and move on. It's understandable. But over time, that site can start slipping out of sync with your goals. Search engines update. User expectations shift. New devices, new strategies, new competitors. Without regular updates, even the best websites fall behind. Technically, visually, and strategically. At PixelCarve, we work with businesses that rely on their digital presence. They see their website as more than a brochure. It's a core part of their brand, their sales funnel, their customer journey. So what keeps a site effective over time? It's not about constant redesigns. It's about thoughtful, ongoing improvements. Content updates that reflect what your customers care about. Design tweaks that respond to how people actually browse. Conversion updates informed by real data. And behind the scenes, faster load times, tighter security, stronger SEO. We call this the monthly mindset. Small, regular changes, no big budget spikes, just consistent, meaningful progress. Whether it's adding a new testimonial, refreshing a headline, or running an A/B test, it all adds up. And when it's done with purpose, your site becomes a living asset that grows with your business. If your website plays a role in marketing, sales, or communication, maintaining it isn't optional, it's essential. We've even created modular solutions that make ongoing updates easy and cost-effective. Want to learn more about how this approach works? You can read the full article now on our website. And if this topic is on your radar, add us to your Spotify playlist.